Are you looking for the best treadmills for heavy person? In this video we will look at some of the best treadmills for heavy person on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. NordicTrack T 6.5 S Treadmill. The NordicTrack T 6.5 S is our number 1 choice for heavy people. This machine has a solid construction, a 2.6 chp motor, which can power the machine to support all forms of motion, such as walking, light jogging, or running. The machine can be adjusted effortlessly via an incline button fitted on the console. As a result, this machine is popular among many users. This treadmill comes with 20 built-in programs that can help you get into the right shape quickly. However, for more challenging programs, consider joining the premium iFit app to access more engaging workouts. Its sturdy design and large weight capacity make it one of the best treadmills for heavy persons. Our library of on-demand workouts feature automatic trainer control, where our world-class trainers digitally control your speed and incline for a great workout. Our cushioning allows you to engage dampeners to soften the impact on your joints or simulate a real road running experience with a single turn. Equipped with self-cooling technology, this powerful smart response motor is designed to support all types of cardio training, from HIIT workouts to endurance runs. Number 2. Soul Fitness F80 Treadmill. The Soul Fitness F80 is a treadmill designed for heavy persons but have limited space. This machine is affordable, convenient, and the best fit for home use. It comes equipped with a 3.5 chp quiet motor, which can support high-intensity exercises without overheating or breakdown. The F80, like the rest of the Soul Fitness treadmills, has a solid construction and features 10 preset programs, 15% incline, and a top speed of 12 miles per hour to help you shed the excess pounds. The Soul Fitness F80 is Bluetooth compatible and will allow you to listen to your favorite music while on the go via the inbuilt speakers or your iPod or smartphone. The Soul Fitness exclusive Cushion Flex Whisper Deck helps reduce stress on your knees, ankles, and joints. Number 3. Exerpeutic TF1000 Electric Treadmill. The Exerpeutic TF1000 is one of the few treadmills for heavy persons designed specifically to cut weight by walking. It is strong, stable, and has a reinforced frame to withstand weights of up to 400 pounds. The speed limit is 4 miles per hour, which is best for light to high-pace walking to help you burn more calories in record time. The TF1000 can fold vertically, has transport wheels for easy relocation, and has a console that displays data to monitor your progress. The machine also comes fully assembled except for the data monitor that has to be fixed on the frame. The Exerpeutic TF1000 Walk to Fitness Electric Treadmill is an effective way to burn extra calories and achieve a healthy lifestyle. Walking on the Exerpeutic TF1000 is one of the easiest and most effective ways to achieve a regimen of regular exercise. Unlike outdoor walking, treadmill fitness walking has the benefits of shock absorption and the convenience of exercising in your own home, in front of a TV, or just listening to your favorite music. Walk to Fitness can help you lose body fat, tone muscles, and is a great way to stay in shape. As for assembly, the Exerpeutic TF1000 is virtually assembled out of the box. Number 4. XTERRA Fitness TR150 Treadmill. The XTERRA Fitness TR150 is designed to bring optimum performance for heavy persons. The treadmill features a 16x50 running surface which is sufficient for heavy persons. It is powered by a powerful, 2.25 horsepower motor that drives the belt at speeds ranging between 0.5 and 10 miles per hour. This treadmill spots a large, 5 LCD display. This display is backlit, easy to read, and displays all your workout data in real time. You can tell the speed, incline, workout times, calories burned, pulse, and distance traveled. It is the perfect treadmill if you'd love to follow your fitness progress closely. You can manually adjust the incline setting over 3 levels. The treadmill also comes with 12 preset workout programs that help you set and keep track of your workout goals. The deck is cushioned with XTERRA soft padding for maximum shock absorption. Specifically designed for the home environment, the TR150 incorporates numerous thoughtful features that were developed with your performance and comfort in mind. Hand grip pulse sensors are conveniently mounted on the side handlebars to help keep you in your training zone. Start on the road to fitness today with the XTERRA TR150 treadmill and exceed your expectations. Number 5. Soul Fitness F85 Folding Treadmill. The Soul F85 is one of the best models ever made by Soul Fitness. It boasts of a variety of features that are perfect for heavy persons who wish to kickstart their fitness journey. This treadmill is made of powder-coated, heavy-duty steel frames that are not only strong, but are also durable enough to last for a lifetime. The machine can support weights of up to 400 pounds. Its commercial-grade 3.5 HP motor provides a smooth and quiet workout with no vibrations. Unlike other brands, the flywheel of this treadmill is much heavier, giving users the feeling they are accustomed to in the gym. In order to care for heavy persons, the running deck is well cushioned for low impact while running. This way, you shall avoid antagonizing the joint of your feet and leg. Make your workout vibrant with the 9-inch LCD which displays speed, time, distance covered, calories burned, and pulse rate. An integrated sound system will keep you entertained throughout the workout session. The preset workout programs on this treadmill are adjusted automatically depending on your heart rate. However, you can customize the exercises as you wish.